Monday, December 19, 2022. And today's the day that finally I'm gonna put together the saw. Now, like I said the day before yesterday, that's how it is, the cast iron piece. This piece, it looks to me like a stainless steel. The chips and how it's been machined and how it looks like, it's stainless steel for me at least. Alright, I might be wrong, but anyhow. So what I did, I ordered this piece to be on the same height here and without being any machining inside. Alright, why? Because I want to create this space here inside. This one, this and this, it's the same height like this one. So when you are putting this back, goes there, has a good alignment, it stays in place. It's not moving. It's not like this one. It doesn't rely only on the bolts. Alright? And this one, let's go to the saw to compare this with this. I already did that comparison with that. I'll show you how much it's moving. Let's see also this one, how much it's moving. Alright, same thing like on Saturday. Okay, let's watch now this one. There is no movement. You can't turn it if you put a little bit grease. I cannot take it out now. Wait, I need both hands. Yeah, with both hands it comes out. With one hand, no, it doesn't. So here what I did, I machined here with a Dremel this area from this side till here, because the casting inside was much more thick at this point. All the way around is fine. And I clean only the paint. From this side here, I clean the paint. This side I removed some material, but not that much, because it was raising up at this point. Let's clean this now again, put it together to see. We're gonna be fine. Yay! Need to make also the line, the mark for the 0 point. Yeah, that's not a big deal. Yeah, talking about here. We're gonna do that, there is no problem. Even I can mount everything and then I can zero it out with a blade. Yeah, to be parallel. Let's start cleaning it, because again has pieces inside. Put some grease, some blue Loctite in some bolts for the vibrations to don't start coming loose, and putting it in place. Alright, first thing first, installing the inner piece, but you're not torquing it down, because you need to align with this piece. If you torque it down, it's not gonna enter inside. I already tried that before, that's why I'm saying. Alright, now 1 drop of blue Loctite on the upper threads, not something crazy. I use the anti-seized for down, this one, anti-seized lubricant. Why? Because they are using cooling for the saw, and usually when they're using more water and then it doesn't have oil inside anymore and start coming rusty. When I opened this, it was full rust, everything. It makes sense to make 1 hole and go down to the tank. Next time, not now. After that, before I bolt down the main bolt with a plate, I need to put inside this pin that comes here with a spring and preload it, but not full, and then you're putting this, because this one's lifting it up and this plate it's pushing it down. The washer and the inner bolt and the springs, it's been loaded, anti-seize lubricant, and let's put together. And that's it, ready. You're losing this too, then you can tilt it. Looks okay. Need to find the 0 point now. It doesn't look bad, even by eyeballing, you know. It's fine. Okay, gentlemen, back in business. You connect the electricity?
Yeah.
Oh, there is no electricity. Alright, find one pipe to cut it. Find something. Has a coolant inside? Whoops. Yep, plenty. You did find a shorter one? You're not gonna grab it, man. Put it on.
This one.
Yeah, adjust it. Adjust it front. Yeah, okay. Alright. Leave it to me. It will turn off by itself. Alright. Not bad. You're back in business. Like I said, if you want to align it, if it's not correct, these two Allen bolts, you're losing it and then you can tilt it. Alright? I have to make also one mark here.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Move on. And then we're gonna see in the future if it's gonna come rusty, because this I believe it's a stainless steel. Alright. Yeah, lovely. Thank you.